OceanCore, and it's time for our ocean-friendly shopping tip. This week, I wanted to look at something we all probably have and use on a regular basis, especially if you have fur babies like I do, and that is Febreze. That magical stuff that makes the soft surfaces in your home not smell like dog or cat when these surfaces cannot be washed or dried in the normal way. Recently, we had finished a bottle and I just thought, I do not want to go buy another plastic bottle, which is pollution, of stuff with extra chemicals in it, even more pollution. Wait, extra chemicals? Where? It's just a bottle of fragrance. Well, the chemicals are in the fragrance, and many of these smelly chemicals are endocrine disruptors, or EDCs. To get more of the EDC story, check out OceanCore's Science Drop playlist and look for the episode entitled, What are Endocrine Disruptors? I'll include it as the next video to watch at the end of this one as well, so it's easy for you. But the bottom line is, these EDCs play games with our endocrine system, which is the system that regulates our hormones. And as a result, EDCs have the potential to harm every organ in our body. Yikes! But I also don't like a stinky home. So I went looking for a solution that didn't bring A, more plastic into our home, and B, more harmful chemicals into contact with all of our delicate systems. My pets included. They have endocrine or hormone systems too. The solution to replace the plastic bottle was fairly simple. I still had the old one, so the best option was just to use the same bottle, especially since the bottle cannot be recycled here in Hawaii, so it really is just trash. Better to use it until it has no use value left whatsoever. But I don't think the top will last a super long time, so once this plastic bottle is completely done with its life, I'll switch it to a more long-term replacement, a high-quality glass bottle with a quality spray nozzle, like this one, available from our friends at OceanCore Bros General Store. Now, what do we put inside the bottle that will do the same thing as the chemical version? It's actually pretty simple. There are a number of different recipes out on the internet. Okay, busy people, moms, don't tune out on me. The version I will show you today is so simple, quick, and easy. Even the busiest person will have time to make this at home. Before we get to that though, I want to caution you all to avoid the recipes that simply mix fabric softener and water. The fabric softener comes in a plastic bottle and has lots of EDCs. Everything we're trying to avoid here, for Mother Nature's health and your own. Now, the recipe I found, make, and use in my own home goes like this. Half a cup of high-proof vodka, half a cup of water, and high-quality essential oils. 25 drops, and 10 drops, respectively. I like to use lavender, tea tree, and lemongrass. I'm sure you can use whichever flavors you like, but there are a couple of things to keep in mind. A, many people are sensitive to oils and fragrances, so use in moderation like everything else. And B, your pets can be sensitive to these oils and fragrances too, especially the citrus ones like sweet orange and lemongrass. I had both of these flavors in my diffuser. They're really good at repelling bugs, and I used it every day until I noticed my pets were unusually itchy. The addition of the diffuser was the only thing I had changed recently, so I stopped the everyday diffuser use, and my pets quit the itchy all the time dance. Phew! All right, everyone, we're done, and we've made our own fabric freshener. Super simple, super quick, not trashy or full of chemicals, and the ingredients will last through a lot of freshening. That's our non-trashy product swap for this week. If your freshening regime is ready for a swap, make sure you visit our friends at OceanCore Bros General Store. When you've chosen your swaps, enter OceanCore in the discount box to enjoy a 10% discount on your order for trying something new and healthier for the planet and your family. If you have an extra moment, help support OceanCore by checking out my daughter's Etsy site and making a donation by way of purchase. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this channel. And as always, whatever you learn here, share it forward. We'll see you next time.